This is HelpScreen and this is how to fix Vivint app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to provide you multiple solutions in order for you to fix your Vivint app. So now, just go to your Google Play Store and search for the application Vivint. And now guys, make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device. And then once you are on the settings, just go on the apps. And then once you are on the apps, you will see here all of the installed application on your device. So now just try to find the application Vivint and now tap on it and go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And guys, if any of this solution doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application from your device. So first, uninstall the Vivint app on your device. And once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store. And then from here, just install it back again on your device. And then from there, guys, you should be having a working Vivint app and you should be able to fix the application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.